Hey guys, this here is my 1999 Toyota 4Runner. This fix will work from anything from 1996 to I believe 2002. And basically what happened is one day it was a really cold day. I was at the movies and I opened the door and some random spring just shot off. Like I said, it was brittle cold and the spring's, 20 years old, so it broke. And what that does is with this door handle, it still works properly. As you can see right here, there's a little play. So it's just, honestly, it's just an annoyance because you go to pull the handle to open it. Well, I guess if you release it like that, then it just kind of sits open. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix it. So to start the job, I've just opened the door and put a pair of vice grips just on it, just so it's not swinging or I get my fingers pinched. And here's what that old spring looks like. So this side is intact, but it's missing one little piece here. As you can see, that just flew off. So we're going to be replacing it. What I did is I hopped on eBay and just ordered the cheapest door handle I could find, and then from here they sent me the door handle, and check it out. It's got the elasticity, so it appears to have the spring here. As you can see, there's that little arm that broke off on mine, and it wraps around up here. So without ruining this or destroying it, what I need to do is take some pliers. I don't care about this piece, but I just need to unwrap this spring from here. And it was actually very easy to get out. All I did is just grab it here from the top and just swing this pivot arm over, and it popped out in one piece without bending or ruining the spring. So now if you look at the door handle, there's a single Phillips screw. Let's go ahead and remove that completely. And that's what the screw looks like. Then what you got to do is you grab the door handle and it needs to go this way. Then once you slide it forward in this direction, you can just gently pull it out. And you just got to be careful because there's still things attached on the rear, like the handles to control all of the locks. Then just to show you as a reference on how to install on the new handle, so really what you got to do is you're going to need to put it in from the right side for sure. And so this is now upside down to you, but you can drop the spring in and that's fine. But this here actually needs to be compressed all the way to this lip over here. As you can see, I've set the spring in there, so the main cylinder is in as well as the bottom part, but it's this piece up here that we need to swing over this lip where my fingernail is touching. So let's just be very gentle with some needle nose pliers. As you can see, I'm still fighting it. I'm just trying to get it over that lip, that edge right there. I did find a hack. If you hold the handle trim still and then pull on the handle, that gives you more leverage. So I can pull it this way, and that's compressing our spring. Then we can hook it over there with our pliers. And after fighting with it for another 30 seconds, that was the trick. We got it locked into place. So now we want to go ahead and reinstall our door handle. As you can see up top, there's these teeth. There's 1 and 2, and what those do, those slide in, then you slide it to the left, and that's how it locks in. So the holes are just kind of to the right of the door panel, so you just kind of wiggle it. It'll bottom out. You push it in towards the door as well as pull it this way. So it's bottomed out, then I'm going to pull it this way, and it just locked. Then we can go ahead and reinstall our Phillips screw. Use a screwdriver and don't use very much torque because this just threads into a mushy piece of plastic. And just like that, the screw's now bottomed in. Our handle works properly. Don't forget to remove your vice grips or your pliers. And then just check that your door works, as well as probably wipe this off, just to clean it up if you're doing this for a customer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.